Good morning, class 3rd. Today we are going to complete exercises of EVS chapter 7, the world of animals. So, open page number 46 in your EVS book. You can see exercise time on this page number. So, first you have to write name any two animals. For first, bat, B-A-T, and butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Bat and butterfly can fly. Now the second, can crawl, spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, and snail, S-N-A-I-L, can crawl. Now for third, dog, D-O-G, dog, and bear, B-E-A-R, can walk. Now fourth, kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, and grasshopper, G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, can hop. Now for fifth, ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, and emu, E-M-U, have wings. Now six, cat, C-A-T, and dog, D-O-G, have 4 legs. Now seventh, ant, A-N-T, and beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, have 6 legs. Now eighth, spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, and scorpion, S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N, have 8 legs. Next 9, M-I-T-E-S, mites, and crabs, C-R-A-B-S, have many legs. Next 10th, duck, D-U-C-K, duck, and frog, F-R-O-G, have webbed feet. Now you can see the B part of exercise time. Arrange the following animals according to their size. Start with the smallest. So first you have to write ladybird, L-A-D-Y-B-I-R-D. Then you have to write butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. And third you have to write monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Fourth, you have to write kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-R-O-O. And fifth, you have to write whale, W-H-A-L-E. Now the says, see, tick the correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. So first, bird have 2 legs which help them to. So first option for it is right, perch on branches of trees. Here second option is also correct. Not second option. Third option is also correct. So birds have 2 legs which help them to perch on branches of trees and hop or walk on the ground but not fly, because they can fly with their wings. Now the second, a monkey's tail helps it to swing from one branches to another. So here you have to tick on the third option. Now the third, Animals. What are animals? Like fish use their tail fins to. So for it, first option is right. Change direction while moving in water. Now you can see third part. Next part of exercise time, which is D. Match the three columns. So here you have to match herbivorous with only plants and only plants with goat and cow. Now the second, carnivorous, eat animal flesh, and these animals are lion and tiger. Third, omnivorous, eat plants and animals, and fox and crow are omnivorous. Now the last, scavengers, eat dead animal, and hyena, vulture are scavengers. So you have to do these work in your book, not in your copy. You have to do hard words, question answers in your EBS copy. So here you can see hard words with the meanings. First, bushy means growing trickly. Second, leaping means bounce. Third, swing means turn or move. Fourth, tear means pull or rip apart. Fifth, flesh means meat. And answer the following questions. Question 1. What are omnivorous? Answer. Animals that eat both plants and flesh are called omnivorous. For example, fox and bear. Now question 2. What is the difference between carnivorous and herbivorous? So its answer. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous, while animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. Now the question 3rd. Define scavengers. So its answer. Animals that eat dead and decaying animals are called scavengers. For example, vultures and hyenas are scavengers. Question 4. What does a cow do with its tail? So its answer. Cow uses its tail to fly away insects that sit on them. So students, that's all for today. Thank you, class.